Hi, hello, welcome to my channel students. Students, in today's our class, we will discuss about subtraction of fractions. Okay, subtraction of like fractions first. Say for example, 5 by 2 minus 4 by 2. How like I explained you in our last session, addition of like fractions. Likewise, if the denominator is same, then directly you can add, either you can add or you can subtract also. So here 5 minus 4 and the denominator is 2. Now 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, now we'll move to the next example. 7 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is equal to, here also this is a like fraction. Here we will take denominator 3, then the numerator 7 minus 4 equal to 3 by 3. Here 3 by 3 means 3 will go from both will cancel with 3 table. So 3 1 3, 3 1 3 is equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, we'll move. So we'll move to the next one, subtraction of unlike fractions. For example, 7 by 8, 5 by 6 is equal to, these both the denominators are not equal. These both are unlike fractions, so we need to take here LCM for this both. 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, again 2 2 ja 4, 3, again 2 1 ja and 3, again 3 1 ja. So here LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to how much? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. This is your LCM. So now we'll solve this. 7 upon 8 into 24 minus, this is minus. Next 5 by 6 multiply 24 whole by 24. Now here equal to 8, in 8 table we are having this LCM 24. So 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja. Here also 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, 24. Now 7 3 ja, what is the remaining balance? You need to multiply and write here. 7 3 ja 21 minus 5 4 ja 20 by 24 equal to 21 minus 20, how much? 1 by 24 is the answer. Now we'll move to the another example, that is 4 by 5, 5 by 12. Here also these both are unlike fractions, so need to take here LCM for 5 and 12. 5 1 ja and 12 to, sorry, 5 1 ja and 12. Next here with 2 table, 2 6 ja 12, again with 2 table, 2 3 ja, again with 1. Here LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 5 2 is a 10, 10 2 is a 20, 23 is a 60 is your LCM. Now we'll move to simplify this. 4 upon 5 into 60 minus 5 upon 12 into 60 whole by 60. Now in 5 table we have this 60, we can cancel this with 5. 5 1 ja 5 12, 12 1 ja 12 5, just 60. Now remaining one multiply, 12 4 ja 48 minus 5 5 ja 25 by 60 is equal to, now subtract this one. Here it is 23 by 60 is your answer. Now next concept is convert mixed fractions into an improper fraction. Now you will learn how to convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. For example, 3 1 by 2 is equal to, now this one is a mixed fraction. Now you have to make it improper. Here now denominator first you will write, then this both like this you do first. This is the trick. Now 2 multiply 3, next addition plus 1 by 2. Now it is easy. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So we will recheck this answer whether it is right or not, because this is an improper fraction. Because what is an improper fraction? If the numerator is big and the denominator is small, then it is called an improper fraction. So now is it if we convert this, can we get mixed fraction? We will let us see now. By doing this process, you need to divide 7 with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 1. So here you need to write first of all 3 1 by 2. Okay, first 3, then this remainder, then 2. Next we will move to the next one. 5 6 by 12 is equal to, now here also like this process you apply. 12 into 5 plus 6 by 12 is equal to, here it is 12 denominator, then 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 6 66. Okay, now this one also you can convert into an improper fraction by doing like this. How? With 12 table, 12 5s are 60. Here it is, if you do subtraction you will get 6. Now how you will write here? First this 5, this question, then remainder, then this 12 likewise. Okay, now this is an improper fraction. If you need to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, then what you will do? The process is, with 3 you need to divide 16. 3 5s are 15. Here it is 1. Now how you will write this number into mixed fraction? First of all this 5, then denominator 1, then this 3, like this. Okay, now we'll move to the next one, subtraction of mixed fractions. Now in two process you can do this subtraction of mixed fractions. How? Like directly we can subtract the mixed fractions. Otherwise by doing this converting and improper fractions, likewise also you can do subtraction. In addition process also you can do in that way, and in subtraction also you can apply this way. Okay, say for example 8 4 by 5 minus 7 3 by 5. Now here you can see, here this is a like fraction. No, here it is one like fraction, here also like fraction, these both are, but this is a mixed fraction. Now you need to do like this. 8 minus 7 whole numbers you will put here, natural numbers, then here 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Now 8 minus 7, for this both 5 whole to the denominator is 5. Now 4 minus 3. Now 8 minus 7. Next here 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Here 8 minus 7 means 1. Okay, now another example, let us see. If you do this in another way, then by making this into an improper fraction you can do this problem. How? 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4 44 by 5 minus 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 3 38 by 5. Now here this both are denominators are same, So in like fractions, you need not to take any LCM. Directly you can subtract or add. So here we will write here 5. Now 44 minus 38 is equal to how much? 14, 6 by 5. If you solve this, then you will get 5 ones are 5 in like this, means 1 by 1 by 5 is the answer. Okay, like this also you can get the answer, like this in this process also you can get answer. Now we'll move to the next number. Let's take another example. 7 5 by 12 minus 3 4 by 10. Okay, in this one also you can do in two ways. One is 7 minus 3. Here it is 5 by 12 4 by 10. Now here you got this. For this both you need to take LCM because these both are different. So we'll take here LCM. 2 6 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 3 ja, 5 ja, 3 1 ja, 5. Next 5 1 ja. Now LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60 is your LCM. Here 5 by 12, our process we will apply here, minus 4 by 10 multiply 60 whole by 60. Now here 4 to 4, here you need to cancel this. 12 1 ja, 12 5 ja, 10 1 ja, 10 6 ja. Okay, now remaining one multiply 5 5 is 25 minus 4 6 is 24 by 60. Now 4, this both 25 minus 24 1, then 60. This is your answer. In another way also we will do here. Now this 7 5 by 12 3 4 by 10. Okay, by converting them into an improper fraction we will do subtraction now. 12 into 7 plus 5 by 12 minus, first process is this one. First process, in the first step you will apply by converting them into improper fraction. 10 3 is 30 plus 4 34. Directly I added here, I solved here, but here if you do 10 into 3 plus 4 by 10. Now this one you do solve, we will get here 12 7 ja, 84 plus 5 89 by 5 by 12. Now 10 3 is 30 plus 4 34 by 10. For this both now we will take LCM, then like this. So for this 12 and 10 we got LCM 60. Here 89 by 12 multiply LCM is 60 minus 34 by 10 multiply 60 whole by 60. Now 12 1 ja, 12 5 ja, 10 1 ja, 10 6 ja. Okay, so if we multiply this both we will get here 445. 89 into 5 equal to 445 and 34 minus 34 into 6 204, then by 60 is equal to this both. If you do subtraction you will get 241 by 60. If we solve this you will get answer 4 1 by 60. How? Let us check once. 241 with 66 4 ja 24 240. Okay, now 64 ja 240. Now here it is 1. What you will get? 4 1 upon 60. Okay, friends, do practice at home. We'll meet in our next class. Thank you for watching.